back to my channel. My name is Carly Stevens. I'm the author of the young adult fantasy novel Firian Rising, and this is English Nerd. For today's 2-minute writer, I decided to talk about semicolons because I think there's a lot of confusion around semicolons. It's like the fancy tea drinking cousin of the punctuation world. So essentially there are only two main ways that you can use semicolons. Number one is to separate two complete sentences that are very closely related. Now the key is that they have to be complete sentences. If you have fragments on one side or the other of a semicolon, then you're doing it incorrectly. So you have to have two complete thoughts, but semicolon in the middle is a perfect way to avoid writing run-on sentences, for instance. The second way that you can use a semicolon is if you have a list that includes commas with each item. So for instance, if you were listing cities and you wanted to talk about Miami, Florida, Denver, Colorado, something like that, then you would need semicolons in that list to clarify where one item stopped and the other one began. Otherwise, it might sound like Miami and Florida and Denver and Colorado. So if there are commas within the items, you switch to semicolons between the items in the list. So hopefully that was clear. That is pretty much all I have to say about semicolons. They're simpler than a lot of people think, so those are the two ways to use them. If you have not already subscribed to my channel, make sure that you do so. Like this video if you like it. If you have any other suggestions for 2-minute writer videos, please put those down below, and I'll see you next Monday. Bye.